We are entering a new era of intelligent machines where technology is advancing at an unprecedented pace. These machines are not just tools, they are becoming integral parts of our daily lives, transforming industries and reshaping the future. Nvidia, a leading technology company, is at the forefront of this revolution. Known for its cutting-edge innovations, Nvidia is pushing the boundaries of what is possible in the world of technology. They manufacture some of the most powerful computer chips in the world, which are the backbone of modern computing and artificial intelligence. Nvidia's work in artificial intelligence and robotics is groundbreaking. Their research and development efforts are leading to innovations that were once thought to be science fiction. At CES 2025, Nvidia unveiled a series of new products that promise to revolutionize the future of intelligent machines. These innovative products are set to change the landscape of technology, offering new possibilities and capabilities for intelligent machines. Designed with developers and researchers in mind, these technologies provide the tools needed to push the boundaries of what intelligent machines can do. Nvidia offers powerful development tools that enable the creation of the next generation of AI-powered robots, making it easier for innovators to bring their ideas to life. These advanced robots are capable of solving complex problems and performing tasks that were previously unimaginable. From healthcare to industrial applications, these intelligent machines are poised to assist us in countless ways, making our lives easier and more efficient. Jetson Orin Nano Small Board, Big Power. This compact yet mighty device is revolutionizing the world of computing. The Jetson Orin Nano Super Development Kit is a tiny computer. Despite its small size, it packs a punch with its advanced capabilities. It has a powerful Nvidia GPU. This GPU ensures high performance and efficiency, making it ideal for intensive tasks. This small device is designed for robotics and edge AI applications. It can handle complex algorithms and real-time processing with ease. It costs $499. It provides great performance. This makes it an affordable option for high-performance computing needs. It is perfect for researchers, educators, and developers. They can leverage its power to innovate and push the boundaries of technology. It enables them to create innovative robots and AI systems. With the Jetson Orin Nano, the possibilities are endless, and the future of technology looks brighter than ever. Nvidia Cosmos, the power of the cloud for robots. Nvidia Cosmos is a cloud platform. It's designed for robotics development. Cosmos lets developers create simulations. These simulations are very realistic. They can test robots in virtual environments. This makes development faster and safer. Cosmos is especially useful for autonomous vehicles. They can be trained in various driving scenarios. Project GR00T, Building Smarter Humanoid Robots. Project GR00T is a new initiative. It focuses on humanoid robots. The goal is to make robots that can interact with the world. They will do this like humans do. This involves advanced AI. It also involves natural language processing. GR00T aims to make robots more helpful. These robots will be used in homes and workplaces. Shaping the future of AI and robotics. In today's rapidly evolving technological landscape, the integration of artificial intelligence and robotics is not just a possibility, but an inevitability. These advancements are set to revolutionize the way we live and work. Nvidia's new products are game changers. They offer powerful tools that are designed to accelerate innovation and drive progress in AI and robotics. These tools are not just incremental improvements, they represent a significant leap forward in technology. These tools will help developers build the future of AI and robotics. By providing the necessary resources and support, Nvidia is enabling a new generation of developers to push the boundaries of what is possible, creating smarter, more efficient systems. From the Jetson Orin Nano to the Cosmos platform and Project GR00T, Nvidia's innovations are at the forefront of this technological revolution. Each product is designed with a specific purpose in mind, addressing the unique challenges and opportunities in the field of AI and robotics. Nvidia is pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Their commitment to research and development ensures that they remain leaders in the industry, continually setting new standards for performance and capability. These innovations will lead to smarter robots. Robots that can perform complex tasks with precision and efficiency, making them invaluable assets in various industries. They will be more capable than ever before. With advanced functionalities and improved interaction capabilities, these robots will be able to work alongside humans seamlessly, enhancing productivity and safety. These robots will have a significant impact. They will transform industries by taking on tasks that are dangerous, repetitive, or require a high level of precision, allowing human workers to focus on more strategic and creative endeavors. They will change industries like manufacturing, healthcare, and transportation. The integration of AI and robotics will lead to more efficient production lines, advanced medical procedures, and safer, more reliable transportation systems, ultimately improving the quality of life for people around the world.